Are you looking to improve machining productivity but are locked into dedicated fixtures? Kurt ClusterTowers with quick change jaws provided the solution for Western products and can do the same for you. Kurt ClusterTowers made major productivity improvements so that one machining center now does the work of two machines.
What we were looking for was a fixture that would give us the flexibility to machine different size blocks that we produce.
For over 60 years, Western has been the industry-leading manufacturer of contractor-grade snow plows. These plows are ruggedly built with reliable hydraulic control. The hydraulic controls include precision machine manifolds that regulate the plow's operation. For many years, Western Products machined manifolds and dedicated fixtures like this one. They were heavy and had to be moved on and off the machine work table with the hoist to change manifold sizes. That's no longer necessary with these Kurt ClusterTowers with quick change jaws. They stay on the machine table, only the jaws need changing. The Kurt Towers clamp quickly and with 2/10,000ths of an inch accuracy. They hold rigidly and make possible concentricity on all manifold machine surfaces. Before Western made the change to Kurt Towers, they were concerned that the towers would locate parts accurately and with enough rigidity. Not a problem with Kurt. The proof was in the finished machined parts that you see here. It all started with these drawings from Kurt. They made a professional proposal that reassured and convinced Western that Kurt's many years of solving high-density work-holding setups would more than do the job for them. Western now mills its manifolds using Kurt ClusterTowers at top machine speed, 15,000 RPM and 350 inches per minute, with part repeatability of 2/10,000ths of an inch. Thoresen reports that concentricity from one operation to the next using the new Kurt ClusterTower is greatly improved. Scrap, while never a big problem before with the dedicated fixtures, is reduced to half with a new setup. Clamping pressure of 3,000 psi is more than adequate to hold parts rigidly for the tightest tolerance and no part vibration. One of the reasons is Kurt ClusterTowers are precision machined from rock-solid 80,000 psi ductile iron. Besides having fewer and faster setups, Western has many added benefits from their Kurt ClusterTowers. When a new manifold design is needed or an engineering change is made, all that's required is a new set of Kurt jaws for a few $100s and a few days turnaround to deliver the jaws. With this old setup, an entire dedicated fixture was needed, costing several $1,000s and weeks to build. Now with the new Kurt ClusterTowers, they stay on the machine. No moving the heavy fixtures on and off the machine. That took 30 minutes and a hoist. Now to change setups, the operator unsnaps the jaw, adjusts the jaw opening for a new part, and the setup is ready to pressurize and run new parts. Western machines two different manifolds at the same time on the same machine over 2 8-hour shifts. They machine 480 manifolds a week, 240 of each size. They do it all on one machine instead of two. The freed-up machine now does other work, all accomplished with Kurt ClusterTowers with changeable jaws. So if you're using dedicated fixtures, if you're looking for ways to boost machining productivity, a change in work holding with Kurt will make a big difference just as it did for Western Products. Call Kurt now for a private productivity review just like Brian Thoresen at Western did. Call 763-574-8309 or visit the Kurt web store to buy online now direct or locate your nearest distributor. www.kurtworkholding.com